Good afternoon, World Wide Web. Welcome back to my stock channel. Another update video on Ford Motor Company in a down Dow, a very bad down down earlier. Ford Motor Company is going against the Dow and climbing. It's going to 15, it's going to 16, it's going to 17. You guys, I got to tell you now, and I'm not even going to scroll down and show you stuff. No numbers. That this is the next Tesla. This is going to assume the role of Tesla and the out of control crack smoking price that it sits at a PE of 80. Ford Motor Company was like a PE of 6 or 7 before this crap started. Now I think they're, I guess we can look at that. I'll let you look at one thing. This play is designed on, oh my God, the PE's at 20 already. Get in. This sucker's going up to a PE of 60 or 50. It's going there. I promise you. Everybody think this is going to be the new Tesla now. This is the first people to put this kind of money into electric cars since Tesla, I'm guessing. Just a ridiculous amount of effort. The battery plant is everything. The nerds are coming this way. The electric car people are swooning. Yeah, we're finally going to see Ford moving. They were a boring gas car predictable company. Now they're unpredictable. They're wild in nature. Nobody knows how much market share they're going to steal from Tesla. Tesla's probably going to come down a little bit because of this. Now they got another player on the block in 2 years. It's definitely going to hurt their growth since they're trading at 2030 levels right now. Let's see if they'll reach those 2030 levels now that Ford is going to inject their sword of truth. Ford Motor Company, everybody. Let's just look at the numbers. What the hell? We'll just see what we're buying here, I guess. Might as well. Big boring company that doesn't put up much earnings quarterly and does intentional misses or slight wins. $158 billion for the year, $136 billion for the year, $127 billion for the year, 158, 160. Maybe it's growing up again a little too. And they've had a pretty good year. The last earnings weren't that good. Cars are getting very expensive. Interest rates are getting very high. Definitely problems for the car market more recently. Let's make sure they're not so in debt that they're going to have to close the doors. Hold on. We'll do our due diligence, even though that has nothing to do with it. They're right side up. They have how much cash? $28 billion in cash. Yeah, they have a lot more than Elon was probably willing to put in at first. And then they just got a $9 billion loan from the government, probably at a good fixed interest rate to build the biggest battery plant ever. Yeah, is it crony capitalism? Yeah. Is that how Tesla started? Probably. Yeah. Will the government help people buy electric cars? They will for now. Absolutely. At least for the next 2 years. You're going to be safe on that play from anybody not liking electric cars, tampering, which is probably good for your Ford Motor Company stock purchase. Yeah, it's going up and up and up. This is the new Tesla. This thing is going to hit $20. Then it's going to go to maybe $25 just on the hype. Absolutely ridiculous. I guess it's going to be at a PE of 40 when it hits $29. That's the guess. And is it going to go to a PE of 40? Maybe. Will they get a lot closer than this? Yes. This is a down day in the market. The sucker's just puttering up another 13 cents. It's just gathering steam every day. There's a lot of shares out there. There's a lot of people buying it. But they're buying to hold. They're buying to stick with it for a couple of years. They want to see this thing turn into something much bigger than it is. I don't know what the prospects are on that. I don't know who splits what and who gets what, and whether you don't sell a gas car, you sell an electric car, does that make any difference? Or do they sell more cars overall? Or do they completely beat Chevy on this play, and that's a big deal? I have no idea. Why is Tesla where it's at? I have no idea. And just the electric car, and I guess everybody needing to buy something that's $60,000 or $40,000, then yeah, I guess if everyone has to buy one or is going to want to buy one, hopefully that'll be the way it goes down, where everybody hopes to buy one themselves, not is forced to. But the hype is real, and today confirmed it for me. I just grabbed some more options. They got a July of 2024. They're so far out, and they're 33 cents right now, and it's got a strike price of $21. And you don't need it to hit $21. You just need this thing to rage upwards for a month or something. Let it get to 17, and your option will double or triple. This thing's going to start, the closer it comes to 21, the sweeter it'll get. And if it hits 21 way early, then it has like a reverse time value, which is even more powerful. And I think that's going to happen. I think we're going to see 15 here in the next couple of days, and we're going to see 16 a few days after that. And they're just trickling in. These are Tesla buyers are probably going to grab a few shares of this maybe too. I don't even know. I can't predict it. I just know they're probably now the world's largest electric car company, and that's why everybody wants in. Ford Motor Company, everybody, grab it while you can. Have a wonderful day. Check out those options long term. Throw a couple $100 at it. Throw $100 at it. You may be very pleased. I'm starting to get a little faith in this one. Just watching it go up every day. Now that I get to watch it go up in a down market, makes me feel up even better. Too much resistance to go up. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Please like the video and subscribe.